Baja. And anytime I holla, you go say you dey my area. I say no wahala, but I don't dare wait you tire. I don't wait you sote, I don't dey lose weight too. AMAKA disappoint me, but the end I get confusion. AMAKA disappoint me, young get disappointment too. AMAKA disappoint.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is debbyoje. If you're new here, I'd like for you to take one quick second, go down below and hit the red subscribe button. And also click the bell button beside it so you never miss when I post a new video. And if you're old, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about this, my hair, my lovely hair. The color, the style, everything that concerns this hair is in this video. So if you guys have been on my Instagram, been on my Snapchat, and you've been wondering how did she get her hair to look like this video is for you. So today I'm just going to be showing you how Glory from ORIONBEAUTE was able to install and also construct this wig and lay it on my head and snatch all your souls. So basically, ORIONBEAUTE is a hair company. They sell wigs and weaves, and they also teach people how to make wigs and all of that good stuff that comes in the hair package. So yeah, I mean, if you're in Nigeria, you're in luck because she's currently in Nigeria and she's hosting a wig class in ABUJA for all you wig and weave lovers. So if you haven't heard about it, all the details will be in the description box down below. I'll also leave all her social media accounts and their website down below so you can check it out. Make sure you DM her to register for the class, which she's holding on the 27th, 31st of August and on the 1st and 2nd of September for all you busy people who can't make it during the weekday. So yeah, I'll leave all that information down below. Also, if you are registering for the class, you're in luck because you do get your weave at a really discounted price in the kit that comes with your registration fee. So you don't have to go out and look for where to buy a weave or a wig just to have something to use during the class. Everything does come in the package with your registration fee. And if you can actually clock the quality of this weave, you guys, you will know that getting it at a discounted price is a big bargain. If you also want to purchase a wig or weave from her, you're in luck because I have a discount code for you guys. Use debbyoje to get £20 off anything you buy. So yeah, if you are wondering how she was able to install this wig and style it as well, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Don't forget to also check out all her social media accounts down below, and don't forget to also register for the class. I can't wait to see you guys there. It will be amazing. It's an opportunity to network, meet new people, learn how to make wigs, learn easy tips and tricks on how to slay your wigs and weaves. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video and I'll see you guys in my next one.
Alright guys, so this is the weave that she used. She has 4 bundles of body wave, 14 inches and a lace closure, and she's just bleaching the weave here in preparation for it to be dyed. I'm sorry the clips are so awkward. We weren't able to get good clips of this, but what she's just going to do is lift the color of the hair by bleaching it, and then she's going to go ahead and dye it. She also made the hair into a wig before I got there, and I'm sorry we didn't get a clip of that, but I'm sure you guys know how to make wigs anyway. So basically, afterwards, she's trying to tame my natural hair by spraying it with some conditioner and water in a spray bottle, and she's just combing through the tangles that I have in my hair, and then she's going to go ahead and cornrow my hair all the way backwards, and she's doing really small cornrows because she really wants the wig to lay flat. So you don't want big and bulky cornrows on your head, or else your wig is not going to lay very flat. So smaller cornrows are better basically, and that's what you can see her doing now. Forgive me guys, I have a terrible cold, just in case I sound like a frog in this video. But yeah, anyways, these cornrows have taken a really long time, but as you guys can see, she's finally finishing the cornrows now. I think I have about 15 cornrows going down the back of my head, and now I'm just showing you what the weave looks like. It's a very rich auburn copper kind of bronze color with like honey blonde highlights in it. I know that's a lot of colors I just said, but I really like the color of this wig, guys. I really like the fact that it's not just one bland color all the way down. I like the fact that it looks really different from everything I would usually wear. Now she's just tacking down the loose tips of my hair that she cornrowed with a needle and thread, and then she's going to go ahead to place the wig on my head, as you guys can see, and just see how it fits on my head and just align it the way she wants it to look. Now she's going ahead to tongue the hair, so she's sectioning the hair into smaller sections and then basically curling it with a curling wand or a tongue, whichever you call it. I know Nigerians call it tongue, and you can just see the barrel of the curling wand. It's not too big and it's not too small, and she's going ahead to pin the hair up once she's done curling it, just for it to cool down before she actually styles it. For the front part, she goes in with a hair straightener first before putting the curling wand into the hair to curl it. Now she's cutting off the lace closure, the lace in front of the closure. Sorry, yeah, you guys get what I mean, Sha. She's cutting off the lace in front of the closure, and then she's taking down all the pins from inside the hair, and then she's going to go ahead and tease the hair and try and smooth it out and just like make it all fluffy and cute. You guys know what they do with this hair thing. I don't know, but you guys get it, Sha. Yeah, she's just teasing the hair, and that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Also, don't forget to check out ORIONBEAUTE. And yeah, guys, also don't forget to register for the class. I can't wait to see you there. I hope we have a swell time. And if you guys want me to do more videos like this, definitely give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. Thank you.